Here is how to use Beetles Builder Gel for apex build or extension. The natural nails are fragile and flat. You need to use Builder Gel for improvement. Beetles Builder Gel is more viscous. Start with a thin layer. Draw an arc from the middle or apply the glue in a circular motion. The gel will be self-leveling. Fill in the sides with a nail art pen. Create an apex at the stress point of the nail. Turn your nail upside down to use gravity to help self-leveling. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds. Cure for 60 seconds. Nails with perfect apex now, stronger and resistant to breaking. Beetles Builder Gel can also be used to lengthen nails. Place the form under your free edge. Make sure the form is tight, close to your nail. Pinch the front end. Stick them on both sides. Ensure there is not a gap underneath before and during use. Take appropriate amount of Beetles Builder Gel. Apply Beetles Builder Gel to desired length. Don't forget to fill in the nail plate to ensure a balance. Apply Beetles Builder Gel again to create the perfect apex. Invert and wait 5 to 10 seconds for self-leveling. Check the curve. Remove nail forms and file. Cure for 30 seconds. Shape with tweezers before it dries completely. Cure for 30 seconds again. Now you can create any style without worrying about breaking or peeling off.